Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in your Chevy Trax key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new CR 2032 coin cell battery, which is a common type. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver or a dedicated pry tool. Having a clean, well-lit area will make this process much easier and help prevent losing any small parts. Let's get started. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the key ring attaches. Insert your small flathead screwdriver or pry tool into this slot. With a gentle twisting or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. It should pop open with minimal effort. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Using your screwdriver, gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards, just like the old one was. It should fit snugly. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure they fit together perfectly. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Once reassembled, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. You should now have a fully functional key fob with a fresh battery. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.